Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when still I make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up my clocks, wood fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and for this video I just need y'all's opinion on something real quick. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay? So in Jamaica right now, they have what's called the Ensure Challenge going on. Ensure being the drink that diabetic patients drink. Yeah, they got a little challenge going on with that in Jamaica right now. And if you've never seen it, I'll insert a little clip so you can see what that is. And the clip I'm gonna put is actually one of the G-rated ones, I guess, because there are some disgusting ones out there. But anyway, I'm not really with that challenge. I don't like it at all, because for one, I think it's dumb, and people are wilding with the stuff they're doing with the Ensure out there. I think it's disgusting. I'm just saying. Like, there's certain things that shouldn't be out there like that, and I get it. It's in dance hall, you know, they're partying, having a good time, what they classify as a good time, doing whatever they're doing. More power to you. If that's what you do, more power to you. Just, for me, it's not my thing. That's poor taste. The next thing is for diabetic patients, and because they started doing this challenge, there's a whole bunch of stores that's hiking up the prices because Ensure is getting so popular. So now people can't even afford Ensure anymore. And I know it was probably already expensive, and a lot of these patients couldn't afford it. Now they really can't afford it because this challenge started going on. So I just think it's dumb. It's dumb. Like, if you know it's for people that are sick, don't bring it in your nonsense, because then people are greedy. They want to make more money. So the first thing they're going to do is hike up the prices on people that are poor and can't afford it already. So just don't do all that, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, to me it's just dumb. This whole Ensure challenge is just dumb. But anyway, that's not my predicament. This is what I need y'all's opinion on, right? So my husband was going to the store. I haven't had chocolate in a while, like in a long time. I haven't had any chocolate. So he was going to the store, and I was like, you know, it's been a while. Do you mind grabbing some M&Ms at the store for me? This man looked at me and he said, you don't need to be eating no chocolate. I said, why not? What's wrong with chocolate? And it's not like it's something that I'm eating every day. You know what I'm saying? It's a once in a while thing. So I said, just get the chocolate. Stop being like that. Just get the chocolate and bring it to me. He said, okay, I'll bring you the chocolate on one occasion if we do the Ensure challenge. So I'm like, I know you lying. I know you lying, because you already know how I feel about the Ensure challenge. So why are you gonna tell me the only way you're gonna buy chocolate for me is if I do the Ensure challenge with you? You're my husband. If I ask you for something, my thing is you should bring it to me. Maybe I'm tripping, I don't know. So y'all let me know if I'm tripping or not. But I feel like if I ask my husband for something, he should just get it and bring it to me. It shouldn't be anything where we're over here negotiating on whether you do this and I do this for you. That don't make no sense. That's dumb to me. That don't make no sense at all. So you're telling me for you to do something for me, You got a tit for tat? No. Yeah, I don't like that. So I just wanted to get y'all's opinion on this. So y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think. Y'all let me know what you think about this. Should he have gotten it? Or whatever. Y'all let me know. I hope y'all like this video though. Until next time.
White kitchen at the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.